Hi, I am Raman, and you are most welcome to the Way of Excellent English Speaking. Uh, I want to say you that when we learn English, there are many ways to learn English, but in the traditional way, what we usually use for learning English is a very painful and boring method. But I want to share with you a enjoyable method of learning English. What is that? You all know that if anyone is belongs from a English speaking country, means if we see the native English speakers, usually we can say that we can see that they speak English without learning any grammar rules or without learning anything from outside. They only learn it in their childhood and from their parents, and we must know what is easy thing in learning English, because they don't feel any pain in learning, and they don't memorize it again and again. They don't need to do something more painful what we do, because there are many things to know about that. I want to share with you. I have learned English from many different ways, because I was also searching about that. I also found many steps what they use for learning English. We can also see that, like me, I want to tell you about me. When I learn Hindi, I don't required any grammar rules and anything what we usually learn in our school books and our traditional way of learning English. And now, what are the steps what I found for learning English? I want to share with you that steps. First of the principle, or you can say step, for learning English is that uh, you must study and learn phrases, English phrases, uh, not any individual word, because phrase, first of all I want to tell you what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words, means not a full sentence but a group of words, more than one word. And we can also say that although sentence is also fine, but a group of words is a phrase. And when we learn any new word in a traditional way, we learn it by memorizing it. Like I want to share with you that we can get a sentence like Mary hates mathematics. In that, imagine, to hate is a new word for you. And when we learn it in a traditional way, how we learn it? We learn it, we check it in our grammar books, vocabulary, or we check it in our book, normal textbooks. In the last of a chapter, there are many uh, meanings of a vocabulary list, and you can find the meaning of that words in your own language. And we will check there. To hate means like dislike something, or not like something very strongly. And when we find it, to hate, we will memorize or try to memorize it, like to hate, to hate, to hate. But in this method, that's a very boring method. Most of all, when we remember these words, memorize these words, when we go for test, we forgot most of them, because it's not actually it's this method is not good for learn a new language. And one more thing, this method is very painful and boring. A good news for you that you don't require any grammar for learn. You have to focus on the phrases. When you do this, you will get free grammar with them. Now we can check this like when we write Mary hates mathematics, and we can write down it in our in a notebook. We can say we can keep a small notebook for a phrase notebook, we can say. And write it down in that notebook. Write a full phrase, not individual word, full phrase. Write it down in a notebook, and also we can also write down the source of that phrase. Means like we can say where we find it in a real story, or the film, or whatever the movie we was heard in that. Then we can write it down in our notebook, and also a note about the source. It will be very comfortable when you review these things. You will remember where you find it, and you will remember the meaning of that phrase. You don't have to you don't have to memorize the single words, individual words. And it will also help you to, you don't have to need to learn grammar rules like at many different situations. When we find like to hate, we memorize to hate, the that version of word we are using, it will be used only a single situation. But when we find it in like in different situation, in future or past, we must read and memorize the rules of grammar for changing the words, version of words. And in these phrases we don't have to learn that rules also, because we will learn it without any efforts. Now we must have to write it down in the notebook, and we can keep this notebook with us in our pocket, or in backpack, and we can write the phrases where we find it, because in whole day we find many phrases. We can write down the new words, and we can get these phrases from the real storybooks, sorry. Because sometimes we read it in the textbooks, normal textbooks. There is not real English what we can speak. There is a normal English only for writing, not for speaking. That's not real English. When you listen from a real English speaker, you find in writing English and in speaking English there is many differences. That's why I am saying that we have to write down the phrases from real English, or you can find them in storybooks, real storybooks, and podcasts, etc. And now this whole way of learning English is very simple, but very extremely powerful. When we learn it, it's a key of learning English grammar for speaking. Okay, we will meet in new video with new step for learning English.